Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use Moto AI Image Studio on Motorola Razr 60. Okay, let's go to the Moto AI app. Now we'll need to click on Get Started and then you'll find Image Studio. When you open it, you can now start creating an image. Let's click on Continue, Agree. You can enable permission to get personalized AI content, I guess. That doesn't matter for me. And you will need to sign into your Moto account. So I'll sign in with my Google account. After signing in, this is what shows up. Let's click on Get Started. And now you can create an image, a sticker, an avatar. You can turn a sketch into image or do style sync, which will do something about style of your personalization of your phone. I'll do create an image for now, and you can add a description. So I'll invent something. Okay, so I made this prompt. It's pretty weird for a reason. I just want to see how creative can it get. Then you can change the aspect ratio. I'll do landscape, and then you can optionally change the style to something. So I'll do maybe let's do realistic, or no, let's do Impressionist. Now I'll agree. Click generate image, and now it will start doing it. So let's give it a moment, and there it is. That's how it has made it. I can now save it to my phone, I can redo it, I can share it, or I can copy it. Okay, and that's the second one that I have generated, teddy bear serving coffee as a barista in vintage style. Now the thing is that if you go ahead and generate lots of pictures, at some point you'll hit the limit of how much can you do. Let's do anything like book, whatever, just so it didn't show that. I'll cancel. But earlier it showed me that I have 5 more generations left until tomorrow. So yeah, that is the limit. And feel free to check out also other modes. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.